welcome to sunny Larne. Well, now it's Ireland's time to impress me. And it is. So it is. Ah, so green. I wonder if they call it the Emerald Isle. God knows what accent I'm speaking with. I don't know where it's from. It's from deep within the heart of me. But I've got a cold, that's my excuse. And it's making me sound all crazy. Whoa. Oh, this is great. Great. And so the plan now is to go in completely the opposite direction of my brother for a bit. Sorry, David. I'm going to up the North Coastal Road. That's the plan. Towards the Giant's Causeway. North Coast Causeway they call it, and the Giant's Causeway right at the end of it, where you get to see these big I can't remember what they're called, some geological features. Basalt, I think it is. They're basalt rock in big vertical columns that just look like they're stepping stones for giants, apparently, something like that. And then once I've got there, then I turn back around and head south all the way through Northern Ireland down to the border from Larne up to the coast road. It's absolutely lovely. Also on the chase, two big commercial vehicles. Once we're over the brow, we'll have a look. Big road coming on the right. Good. So no for now. The big road is just a driveway. Lots of brows of hills lined. Not really on. Also, they're doing a pretty good speed, to be fair. HGVs after all, not a motorbike. I'm using Google, but it's quite a lovely road, and the quality of the surface of the roads around here is absolutely amazing as well. Armoy, go through the village of Armoy. I'm going to Ballycastle. That's where I'm headed. should get us across along the coast then, out towards the Giant's Causeway. I see a sign for the Giant's Causeway. We're on the Coastway Road, yay, yay, yay. Once I get to the actual Giant's Causeway, I'll stop and have a think, plan, and work out exactly how long it's going to take me to get down to my brother's. See what we can see from here. Oh, well, that's what this is about. Wow. Amazing. Well, that's pretty spectacular. Okay, back on the Kalamoto. I've programmed it for almost my brother's address because it doesn't quite recognise his street, but very close. So when I get really close, then I will go back to Google. But the Kalamoto is now on for 2 hours and 7 minutes, having just left the Giant's Causeway and Bushmills Distillery and all of that stuff, and just plumbed this in. So it's going to take us roughly south. Where are we going? B18 it says. I thought I was going across the bridge, but I'm not apparently. At least not yet. B18. Not this one. This one. Okie dokie. Well, just a little check-in. I don't remember the last time I checked in. After probably the Giant's Causeway. That was amazing. I mean, nearby was amazing. The Giant's Causeway itself, I was just packed with people. So I just really enjoyed it, from the beaches and from the viewpoints. Yeah, now I'm back on the old Kalamoto, doing its thing, taking me down these amazing roads. The road surfaces in Northern Ireland so far have been fantastic. Actually make sure the camera is off, so I turned it back on just to make sure, in order to turn it off. So now I'm going to turn it off. This is kind of what I've been having all day today, apart from the ones that you've seen. Just roads like this, they're kind of quite straight actually, quite straight roads with lots of undulations and then occasional twists. Like that. Just an occasional turn and then back to being straight with lots of undulations again. So they're fun in a different way. Honestly, these roads are just they're just crazy. They're crazy good. Old and grey and can't ride anymore. I'll have to watch a few of these videos back, relive the moments. What roads? Unbelievably good. Curvy. Amazing church. Dalgannon, I think we're in. I think that's what I read just now. Pretty again. Not so sure about the Gothic churches. They're a bit spooky. Stunningly pretty road. Some really beautiful houses on it that I've just passed, unfortunately. Some ruins on the hill up there. It's a very, very pretty tree-lined avenue. So, 9 miles away. I'm going to need to put, I think I'm going to need to go onto the Google map shortly to put my brother's address in, because Kalamoto didn't actually recognise the postcode, weirdly. Ah, 80 kilometres an hour. Okay, it must be in Ireland. That bridge was the border. That river was the border, rather. Okay, so yeah, definitely want to put his address in, and ideally I want to now stop for some petrol. Well, this is Monaghan. Monaghan's pretty. It's nice and busy and a little bit cosmopolitan. Yeah, Monaghan's nice. Busy though, loads of traffic. It's the most traffic I've seen since London. Sinn Féin office right there. Oh, only 3 minutes now.